Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. If you're new, welcome, and I appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. And for those who keep coming back to watch, thanks so much. I truly appreciate it. Just so you know, I do DIYs, I do Dollar Tree hauls, gardening, cooking, all kinds of things around the house. So stay tuned. I have a Dollar Tree haul coming up. I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul, and I just want to show you what I got. This has been sitting in my closet for a while, so I'm not quite sure what I got, but I will share it with you quickly. Hopefully my battery won't run out. Okay, I picked up two or more of these little sandwich containers in the green, and previously, if you saw, I picked up the blue. And I got another one of these little Rip It drinks. They're pretty good for energy fuel. So I got one of those. And then I got another bag of these ultra bright dishwashing tablets. They work pretty good. Sometimes you gotta wet them before you put them in your thing, or they won't dissolve. And then I picked up this Sazón Goya con Culantro Achorte. So I was happy to see that for $1. And then they had this special AA 10-pack of batteries. So I picked those up. And some other things. I don't know what I picked up. It's been a while. I gotta check. Oh, I got these Sweet Mates. My normal. You know, they always get you at the register. And I'll show you. Oh, this is what they always get me at the register, is this Lindor truffle bar. I love these, so this is a great snack. And then somebody else talked about these, and I've been wanting to try them. These are the Hershey's Gold Peanuts and Pretzels, so I can't wait to try these. And I picked up these Ritz Bits, but I'm not sure if I should eat them or not. I heard there was a recall. I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't know if it's on this is the peanut butter one, so we'll see. And then I picked up these, they melted a little bit, but they're good. This is the fudge stripe shortbread cookies. They're just as good as the Keebler's. So I got those. Did I tell you I forgot what I bought? Let's see. Ooh, this is a heavy bag. Let's see what's in here. Kikkoman. It's the resealable bag. It's the panko style coating, gluten-free. So this was something new in my store. So I was happy to find that. And then this is a shampoo, sleek, trust me to relax shampoo and clean shampoo brush. I'm going to use this for my husband. He always wants somebody to brush his hair, like Bobby Boucher. And then I saw the pink beauty cream, the Dove. So I got one of those. Hope the lighting's okay that you could see. This was new at my store, the Multi-Action Fabuloso Complete. So I picked up one of those. It smells pretty good. And then this 55 Breezy, just a little linen fresh for the dryer sheets. And then I picked up this 4C breadcrumbs seasoned. So I needed some more of those. And let's see. That was all that was in that bag. Let's see. Okay, I must have been hungry when I went, because I got some bag of Brim's barbecue flavored pork rinds, fried pork rinds. So that'll be a good snack. What else? Oh, I picked up another one of these Rip It energy drinks. See, it was a separate trip. And then I saw this was new. It's a personal care quick dry antiperspirant spray, protect and refresh, fresh scent. So I got one of those. I hope you can see okay. My light's acting kind of bright. And then I got some of these scrunchy, or I don't know how you say it, but things for my hair. All mine had broken. And then I picked up a can of El Paso refried beans. And let's see, oh, this I kept seeing them, and it was the last one, and it's sort of bent up. But these are the little fairies wall decals. I just thought they were just super cute, and I'm going to put them in my closet. Let's see, I got another bag over here. Let's see what's in, oh, see, I don't remember what I bought. I got this, I've tried this before, it's really good. It's the Suddenly Pasta Salad, Chipotle Ranch, so I picked up one of those. And this time I got 2 of my Sweetmates so I wouldn't run out. I use them a lot. 1 box of this family size Hungry Jack au gratin potatoes. And then 2 bags of the salted Planters peanuts. I got 2 bags. I already have 1, but I got 2 because shortly here I'm going to be making my caramel popcorn and show y'all how I do that. And then a bottle of the Hunt's ketchup. Let's see. Okay. I believe that's all I got on this haul. So thanks for watching, and I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.